Banana. Nyabo, how are you?
Good, how are you?
She's right.
انت منيح good انت good
Papas?
ما هنفهم عليك طيب يلا باي باي
What do you want?
شو مع هيك عم تحكي انجليزي شو بقول لك how are you ما بترد
What?
you good
Do you support the Pallaso or the Skin? Whom are you supporting?
what
Between the Pallaso and the Arian Skin, who are you supporting? Which show are you attending?
which show I am attending
We have 2 shows in Uganda. Have you ever heard about Arian Skin?
have I heard about what
Do you know Arian Skin? Echimenke, in Uganda, Echimenke. Have you ever heard about Echimenke?
no I don't know about them
What about Pallaso the musician?
ما فهم بيحكي
So, you don't know Pallaso?
no
Now, which musician do you know in Uganda?
طيب عمو بدك شيء
Which musician do you know in Uganda?
I'm not in Uganda no
Do you know any musician in Uganda?
I don't know musicians in Uganda no
Do you know Uganda?
I know Uganda
Now we have the best female artist in Uganda is called Arian Skin Echimenke. Have you ever heard about Arianis, Jupiter, Mars?
No are you saying bad things
Do you know the Jupiter or Mars?
I'm sorry I can't understand you I will go away
Now, who have you called? Who have you told to come here? What have you been looking for to come here?